Olá, eu sou Eduardo Raon e venho de Lisboa, Portugal. Jestem iz Portugalske, iz Lisbona. Ja, točno to. I came the first time to play at Pridružite in 2006. My wife partner, she was part of the team, and the rest is more or less history. I'm not sure why, even though I do feel that there are more and more. It's not just this delicate instrument that you caress instead of playing. No, sometimes you really have to wrestle with it. To come with the music I do to a place that would also surprise me. Psychoacoustic side of sound, and this level of psychological connection with some sounds or some aspects of some sounds is very interesting to me. Because I also have kids which are Slovenian, of course, and I cannot think of them also without thinking of Slovenia flavor. So maybe, yeah, there's this song that's a lullaby that sometimes I sing to my small daughter, and it goes like this. O Elizo, Eliza, o Elizo, Eliza. My Elisa, I Elisa, oh I Elisa, I Elisa, I Elisa. That's good. It's a peculiar, interesting question. When I'm in deep sleep or in deep dreaming with all things happening, there's not much of music-related items. On the other hand, in these moments when we are about to fall asleep or there, it happens to me very frequently. Music is very present, actually. Well, thank you and see you on the next concert. Na svidenje.